Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multichain.org router, and I'm going to be sending some funds from the Ethereum network over to the Phantom network. And here we go. So first, we're going to start off by make sure that you're on the Ethereum network. I'm currently using MetaMask. You click on your MetaMask browser, go up top, you select Ethereum. And once you do that, you select your funds. I'm currently going to be using my USDT. You select that, and you're going to go down to the to part where the network you're sending to. You're going to slide this up. You're going to select Phantom, and there you go. And the final step is you got to click balance or the amount. You can enter the amount you want to send. I'm going to be sending all of mine, so I'm just going to click my balance. It's going to auto populate. So right here, it's showing me I'm sending $192 about to the Phantom network. See the Phantom network, $192. Down here explains everything to you, the gas and everything and how everything works. So if you need more information, read the information down below. I'm going to press swap. It's telling me please review details. So it's showing, it's sending it to my wallet. You see wallet addresses, please confirm that. Hit confirm. I'm going to hit confirm one more time. Slide this down, confirm. There you go, guys. That's it. Currently stands successful. So it's transfer money from the Ethereum network over onto the Phantom network. And it shows you the time that is spent to complete it. Guys, just sit back, let it do its thing. And that's how simple it is to transfer funds from the Ethereum network to the Phantom network. And this works for most blockchains. So guys, if you need to transfer funds, definitely use the multichain.org router. Thank you.